one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Quack, quack! 5 little ducks went out to play, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Quack, quack! 3 little ducks went swimming today, in the pond by the grassy bay. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. Quack, quack! 2 little ducks were having fun, chasing fireflies in the sun. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. Quack, quack! Feathers bright waddled home as day turned night. Mother duck cried quack, 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 but no little ducks came running back. Quack, quack! Sad mother duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all 5 little ducks came back.